Hello, my name is Sasuni Wijerathne and this is the demonstration of my individual project, the Complaint Management System developed using JSP, JakartaEE and MySQL. This system was built for a municipal IT division to help employees and administrators manage and track internal complaints efficiently. Now let's dive into the project objective and context. The primary goal of this system is to allow employees to submit, view, update and delete their complaints, and to enable administrators to monitor all complaints, update their status and provide remarks. The system was developed under strict constraint. All backend interactions are handled through HTML form submissions using GET and POST, and no AJAX or asynchronous method were used. What are the system features and demonstration? Let me now show you the core features of the system. First, we have the login page. Depending on the user credentials, the system identifies the role as either employee or admin. As an employee, I can submit a new complaint using a simple form, view a personal list of submit complaints, edit or delete complaints that are still pending. First, we have to sign up. New users can register here by entering their details and selecting their role, either employee or admin. The data is saved in a database using the POST request. After signing up, users can go to the login page. Depending on the credentials, the system checks the role and redirects the user to correct dashboard, either for employees or admin. As an employee, I can submit a new complaint using a simple form, view a personal list of submitted complaints, edit or delete complaints that are still pending. As an admin, I can view all submitted complaints, update the status of any complaint such as marking it as resolved, add remarks to the complaint and delete any complaint if necessary. Each operation, from form submissions to updates and deletions, is handled through synchronous HTTP requests using basic HTML forms without JavaScript-based communication. Now let's dive into the architectural overview. Now let me explain the system architecture. This system follows the model view controller pattern. The view layer consists of JSP page like login JSP, add complaint JSP and view complaints JSP. These pages are responsible for displaying data and rendering from inputs. The controller layer consists of multiple servlet classes such as login servlet, submit complaint servlet and update delete servlets. These handle from request validate inputs and forward responses to JSP pages. The model layer contains Java beans like complaint DTO and user DTO, as well as model classes like complaint model which handle database operations using Apache DBCP connection pooling. Let me explain how form submissions work in this project. Each JSP page includes an HTML form element with a method set to GET or a POST. When the form is submitted, the request is sent to the corresponding servlet. The servlet receives the request using requestGetParameter method. It then performs the business logic, like inserting or updating a complaint. Finally, the servlet forwards the result to a JSP for rendering. In summary, this complaint management system demonstrates my ability to build a full-stack application using JSP and JakartaEE, design and implement synchronous form-based HTTP communication, apply the MVC architecture efficiently, and manage user roles securely with session tracking. Thank you for watching my demonstration.